Welcome back to the channel, folks. And what's freaking cooking? Woo! Got one for you today, guys. Got one for you today. It's gonna be Ninja Blender versus the Vita-Mixer. $300 over here for this blender 12 years ago. $72.95 for the Ninja Blender here. So we're gonna do smoothies today, guys, and we're gonna see which one is better, my Ferrari or my Volkswagen. And the Ninja is gonna say, let me tell you a quick story behind these two. I think I've had this blender right here for about 10 to 15 years. They probably don't even make this blender no more. I was walking through Costco back in the day, did one of those impulse buys. That man was cooking up all types of stuff in this blender. I had it in my cabinet for the last 12 years. Haven't pulled it out the cabinet in 12 years because I don't know what the frick to do with it other than make strawberry daiquiris. But today, I'm gonna put my smoothie tricks to the trade here and see can this $300 blender beat my $70 blender? Because I told you guys that I'm in love with the Ninja. I love all the products. Okay. All right. So let's get started. Turn this equipment around like this. Turn this one down like this. And remember, first time ever making smoothies. I don't know what made me want to do it, but I woke up this morning and said I want a smoothie, or I want to start making smoothie because I want to get my abs back. My abs are not popping like they used to pop. Okay, so first of all, this Ninja here, I think it's gonna be a quick little smoothie because it comes with all the accessories that you need. Got my cup, got the blender blades, got the machine right here, and that's all you need for this one. My old boy, I call it old school way of making it. I got my mixer here, the blade's already in, you pop it on down, you pop it on, and that's good. So let's get started. Get this top off. Woo! Old school, still good. You saw how hard it took me to get that top off. All right, for this one here, for the Ninja, let's pour a little fruit in it. And when you make your smoothies, you can use any type of frozen fruits that you have in your freezer. It doesn't matter what you have. So I just pulled out a couple bags of frozen fruit that I had. I'm just gonna throw a little bit in there. This one has a little bit more chunks than the other one, but so I just put like 2 cups of frozen fruit. One of the other ingredients I like to do in the smoothies that I'm learning how to do is put a little Greek yogurt in it. Greek yogurt will give you the little protein that you need. So put a couple of teaspoons in there. That one's bigger, so I put a cup. I'm just gonna put 1 teaspoon over here in the Ninja. After that, a little sweetener. You can use all different types of sweeteners you use. I'm just gonna pop a little honey in it. Not too much honey, but just give it a dab and give it a little sweetener. Boom, honey in there. Boom, honey in there. So far we got the fruit, we got the honey, we got the yogurt. That's really all you need. Now we're gonna pop a little ice in both of them. I did a little crushed ice. Didn't want to start too much problems. Crushed ice in both. And then I'm told you need to add some water. You need to add some liquid in both of them. So I'm gonna put, this is 8 ounces. I use about 6 ounces in there. An ounce right there. Another 6 ounces. So both of them, 6 ounces of water in both of them. On the Ninja, I'm gonna take the top, I'm gonna lower it, and I'm gonna screw it on. If I can get it on. Let's get it on. Oh, baby. Let's get it on. Got it on. All right, this is your blender. This is your Ninja. I'm gonna shake it a little bit. Try to get that fruit loosened up in there because it's frozen once again. I'm gonna put that on the top here. I'm not gonna push it yet. And here's your big boy. my big boy here, I'm just gonna put the lid on it. Make sure I got the lid set tight on the big boy right here. So on the Ninja, what I'm gonna do is take my hand and just it's blending, but it didn't get all the chunks in the top. Shake it a little bit. Let's shake it up a little bit. Shake it up. Put it back down. Now she's working. Woo! She's working now. Nice and thick and creamy. I can make this a little bit lighter if I add some more water in it. It's a little thick now because what you want to do with your smoothies, if you was taking this smoothie and you was heading to work, it's got a little icing in there so it will last you a little bit longer. It will melt as you go to work. So that's why I made this one a little thick. So I think this one's gonna be ready. I don't want to unveil it yet, but I think that one's gonna be ready. Let's go over to the big boy here. Come on, big boy, don't let me down. I paid $300 for you. Let me see if you're gonna do something here. All right, as we see, big boy did it, but guess what? Big boy got a little crumb, some more ice in there. So let me shake it up a little bit. So I think it can go a little bit more. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Big boy said, brrr. So when big boy said, brrr, that means it got them other ice and cubes in there. Let's see, can I pull this top off, big boy? Ah, woo, got big boy. Ooh, big boy. Let me see here. Use my spoon. Is it? Oh, yeah. And big boy had a little bit more of the chunkier fruit. So guess what I'm gonna do with big boy? I'm gonna seal big boy back in there. I'm gonna put big boy back on here on the Vita-Mixer. Let's come and look at the Ninja. See what the Ninja did as far as grinding up the fruit and stuff. Ooh, nice and thick and creamy. That is nice. Now, once again, I don't know how thick you want your smoothie to be, but that's a nice. Ooh, that's a nice smoothie. I had to double dip this thing here because it's a nice smoothie. Not bad, not bad. Now, one of the things that the Ninja gives you, the Ninja will give you a to-go cup. That's one of the perks of the Ninja. The Ninja will give you a to-go cup right here. You can take it and you can go. Big boy here, one of the features that big boy here has, you saw that it wasn't completely ready. I just wanted to do this again for you because I want to show you that. And the big boy side and the Vita-Mixer side, one of the advantages of this one, it gives you a little stir that you can do. You can turn it on. If you still have ice cubes in there or chunks of fruit up there, you can turn it on. There you go. There you go. There. Now let's take a look at what we did. Look inside now, the Vita-Mixer. Nice and creamy, nice and soft, just the same. Let's take a taste. Woo! All I gotta say, folks, I'm in love with a mixer. Both of them. Let me stop. I can't love two, but boy, I'm certainly gonna love these two. This one right here, folks, when recommended these days, this one back in the day, 10 years, 12 years ago, was $300, okay? This one right here, I think was $70 that I bought on Amazon. So today, I think I will have to go with the Ninja again, because of cost. But guess what? Making a smoothie, both of them did the job. You know, I can't be mad at both of them. You can do a lot more in this Vita-Mixer. It comes with a recipe book. You can make soups. You can make all types of things in this thing right here. I've seen it happen. Tortilla soup was made. I tried to do it before, couldn't do it, but I've seen it made in this blender right here. The Ninja, they have a recipe book for the Ninja also. You can make all types of smoothies, all types of products that you want to make in this blender here. So you can't go wrong other than what price point you want to be in. So, it's my Ninja baby, love you. Vita-Mix, I had you a long time, baby. Up in the cabinet, love you too. But once again, folks, hey, I encourage you guys to go and do your own smoothies. Who needs Smoothie King right now? You don't need it right now because you're at home. Once again, you can do all your smoothies at home. You can throw some greens in it. I got 12-year-old upstairs that don't eat a lot. I sneak some of this protein shake into his thing. He don't know. Don't say nothing. He don't know. If he knew, we have some war on our hands, but he don't know. So all of that, guys. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this small section of making a smoothie at home. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe. Give me thumbs up. More to come. Thank you for joining the channel. Thank you for joining the Ninja versus the Vita-Mixer. Okay, to me today, guys, is a draw. Ninja will win if you want to save the dollars. If you want to do a little bit more stuff for your stuff, the Vita-Mixer is still the big boy. Okay? Till next time, folks. Thanks for joining the channel. Peace.